In the field of modern industry, powder metallurgy technology is well known, become an important force in promoting manufacturing. Fully automatic powder metallurgy manufacturer, with its advanced technical equipment and production processes, produce a series of products of superior quality, won the trust and praise of our customers. Fully automatic powder metallurgy manufacturer possess strong R&D and production capabilities. They introduced internationally advanced powder metallurgy, production equipment and technology, realized the automation and intelligence of the production process. By precisely controlling powder size composition and pressing process, manufacturers are able to produce powder metallurgy products with high density, high hardness, high wear resistance, etc. Products are widely used in automobile machinery, electronics, aerospace and other fields. Provide strong support for the development of various industries. Good quality is the core competitiveness of fully automated powder metallurgy manufacturers. Quality is the foundation of an enterprise. Therefore, we always adhere to the principle of quality. First, every link from raw material procurement to production process is strictly controlled. The manufacturer uses high-quality raw materials. After fine processing and treatment, the stability and reliability of the product are ensured. At the same time, they have also established a complete quality inspection system, strict inspection and testing of each process. Ensure that products comply with national and industry standards. The products of fully automatic powder metallurgy manufacturers are not only of superior quality, but also have many advantages. First of all, the product has high precision, able to meet customers' high precision requirements on size and shape. Secondly, the product has good wear resistance, able to maintain long-term stable performance in harsh working environment. In addition, the product also has good processability and plasticity. It is convenient to provide customers with processing and customization services. In addition to the quality of the product, fully automatic powder metallurgy manufacturer, we also focus on technological innovation, actively cooperate with scientific research structure and college, carry out R&D of powder metallurgy technology, continuously launch new products and technologies with independent intellectual property rights. Meanwhile, we also establish the complete after-sales service system, provide customers with timely and professional technical support and solutions, ensure that customers have a satisfactory experience during use. Fully automatic powder metallurgy manufacturer actively respond to national environmental protection policies, committed to green production, use environmentally friendly materials and processes, reduce pollution emissions during the process. Striving for sustainable development. This environmental protection concept not only conforms to the country's strategic, but also reflects the sense of responsibility to society. In addition, fully automatic powder metallurgy manufacturers also focus on brand building and market promotion. They actively participate in industry exhibitions and exchange activities, establish cooperative relationships with peers and customers around the world. Through brand promotion and market expansion, the manufacturer's visibility and influence continue to increase, lays the foundation for the long-term development of the enterprise.